Whether you're a beginner looking to track your progress or a seasoned athlete aiming to improve your performance, having a reliable GPS watch can be a game changer in your fitness journey. These watches combine accuracy, functionality, and affordability, making them ideal companions for your runs, walks, or any outdoor activities. From tracking your distance and pace to monitoring your heart rate and providing insightful data on your workouts, these budget-friendly GPS watches are designed to enhance your training experience and keep you motivated along the way. In this video, we'll be showcasing 5 affordable GPS running watches that offer a range of features to help you optimize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals without breaking the bank. The Garmin Forerunner 55 is one of the best affordable running watches thanks to its smart, beginner-friendly design and thoughtful training features. Tailored for newcomers to running, it boasts features like a race time predictor, personalized training prompts for those without a set plan, and even post-activity rest recommendations. With its thoughtful design and user-friendly interface, the Forerunner 55 pushes you to take your workouts to the next level. In terms of specifications, the Forerunner 55 offers essential features such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking, and support for women's health tracking. Despite its compact size, the Forerunner 55 boasts a commendable battery life of up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode or 20 hours in GPS mode, ensuring that you can rely on it for extended periods without frequent recharging. Overall, the Garmin Forerunner 55 is a solid choice for individuals seeking a reliable and user-friendly GPS running watch at an affordable price point. Its blend of essential features, workout suggestions, and reliable performance make it a valuable companion for beginners and those looking to enhance their fitness tracking experience. Amazfit GTS2 is another excellent cheap running watch that offers very impressive specs for the price. The Amazfit GTS2 comes with a built-in GPS for monitoring your workouts. The watch offers reliable tracking capabilities, including heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, SpO2 monitoring, and sleep tracking. The watch also displays a metric called PAI by Amazfit, which helps users understand their overall health. It offers 12 different workout modes, covering activities like running, swimming, skiing, free training, and climbing. GTS2 gives notifications about your exercise stages, conditions, and heart rate zones, generating a sports data report in the Zepp app after completing a workout. The striking always-on AMOLED display with a high 301 ppi resolution means your workout stats are always available at a glance, with good visibility even in bright daylight. Battery life is still its secret weapon, with an impressive 7-day battery life in normal usage, up to 20 days with low battery mode, which will turn off many features. The Amazfit GTS2 is an attractive option for those looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch that offers comprehensive health tracking features, stylish design, and long battery life. Chorospace 2, a GPS running watch designed for serious runners who want advanced metrics and features with an affordable price. Despite its slim profile, it packs a punch with a multitude of features designed to enhance your training experience. With up to 20 days of regular use and 30 hours of continuous GPS tracking, you can tackle even the most epic adventures without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the ultra-low power processor ensures efficient energy consumption, extending the battery life even further. Whether you're hitting the trails or pounding the pavement, you can trust that the Pace 2 will keep up with you every step of the way. This watch provides a comprehensive overview of your fitness progress and your performance from the past 42 days. Another highlight is the intuitive interface and customizable data screens, allowing you to tailor the watch to your preferences. It is a top contender in the world of running watches, offering exceptional battery life, accurate GPS tracking, and advanced performance metrics in a lightweight and stylish package. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the Pace 2 is sure to impress. The Polar M200 is a budget fitness tracker designed for runners, offering integrated GPS, optical heart rate monitoring, smartphone connectivity, and 24/7 activity tracking. In the Polar Flow app, you can see more details about your activity, such as how many total hours and minutes of the day you spend sitting, standing, walking, or being lightly active, running, or being highly active and lying down. It's waterproof, so you can be worry-free while swimming. The Polar M200 is known for its accurate GPS tracking and heart rate monitoring. It uses Polar's proprietary heart rate sensor, which is known for its accuracy and reliability. If you choose an outdoor activity, including running and walking, the GPS will engage to keep tabs on your route, pace, distance, and speed. You can see these details and more in the Polar Flow app when you're done. The M200 has good battery life, with up to 7 days of battery life in regular usage and up to 5 hours with GPS enabled. The Polar M200 is a solid budget fitness tracker for runners and outdoor enthusiasts. It offers accurate GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and tracking for various activities and sports. The Fitbit Charge 5 is a comprehensive fitness tracker that combines the best features of Fitbit's current lineup in one sleek device at an affordable price. One of the standout features of the Charge 5 is its onboard GPS for tracking runs without a watch, making it an excellent choice for runners and outdoor enthusiasts. It also includes an EDA sensor for measuring stress responses, contactless payments, sleep tracking, excellent heart rate monitoring, and sleep monitoring. The Charge 5's bright, colorful 1.04-inch AMOLED touchscreen is an upgrade from the grayscale display of its predecessor, making it easier to read and navigate. The device is also water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and other water activities. Its battery life is impressive, with up to 7 days of battery life in regular usage and up to 5 hours with GPS enabled. It also has several useful health monitoring features, including an electrodermal activity sensor and an electrocardiogram app. Its comprehensive tracking features, sleek design, and useful health and lifestyle features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and comprehensive fitness tracker. And that concludes our list of the top 5 budget GPS running watches you should consider getting. Which one do you think is best for you? Do let us know. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.